To inspect and replace the air filter on your Sportsman X2, Touring, and 6x6 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and ensure the vehicle is in park. Then, set the parking brake, turn the key to the off position, and remove. Now, lift up on the passenger seat lever and remove. Then, pull up on the rear of the driver's seat and pull the seat back and free of the tabs. Before continuing, clean the area around the airbox. Next, remove the 6 clips from the airbox cover and set the cover aside. Then, inspect the gasket seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. It should adhere tightly to the cover and seal all the way around. Now, loosen the air filter hose clamp and remove the air filter assembly. Then, inspect the air filter for any excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. If the air filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Before continuing, clean out the inside of the airbox. Next, reinstall the air filter in the main filter mount, ensuring it is fully seated. Apply a small amount of general-purpose grease to the sealing edges to the filter before reinstalling. The air filter should rest on the filter supports. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent rattles and air leaks. Now, place the hose clamp over the assembly and torque to specification. Then, install the airbox cover and secure with the clips. Next, install the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. When reinstalling the seat, make sure the slots in the seat engage the tabs in the fuel tank. Finally, reinstall the passenger seat. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.